Welcome to the start of the line. We have over 50 tons of fresh Hass avocados arriving every single morning.
Quality is everything. We only use fruit that is at the perfect stage of ripeness to ensure the highest oil yield.
Every avocado gets a high-pressure bath. We have to be 100% sure that no dirt or leaves make it into the final press.
Even with our tech, we still use a human touch. Our team handpicks any fruit that doesn't meet our strict grade A criteria.
Now the real work begins. The fruit is heading up to the destoning machines to be prepped for the mash. This machine is a beast. It separates the flesh from the pits and skins in a matter of seconds. Look at that vibrant green. That is 100% pure avocado mash, ready for the malaxation tanks.
This is the malaxer. We stir the mash very slowly for about 40 minutes at low heat to let the oil start to pool together. Now we spin it. This centrifuge uses thousands of G-forces to separate the golden oil from the water and fruit solids.
There it is, liquid gold. This is pure extra virgin avocado oil, straight from the press and ready for the bottle.
Even after the centrifuge, we run the oil through these fine filters. It's all about achieving that perfect, brilliant clarity. Look at that. No clouds, no sediment, just 100% pure liquid emerald moving toward our storage vats.
We store the oil in these oxygen-free tanks to keep it as fresh as the day it was pressed. We're talking about thousands of gallons here.
Now for the final step. These dark bottles are specifically chosen to protect the oil from light and preserve its nutrients.
The precision here is incredible. Each bottle is filled to the exact milliliter in a fraction of a second.
The caps are applied and vacuum sealed instantly. This keeps the freshness locked in until you open it at home.
And just like that, it has its identity. From fruit to a finished, branded product in just a few hours. One last look. We check the seals, the dates, and the labels. If it isn't perfect, it doesn't leave this factory.
These boxes are headed all over the globe, from California to New York and even overseas.
So that's the journey from tree to bottle. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.
Every batch comes here first. We test for peroxide levels and acidity to guarantee this is the purest oil on the market.
Our acidity levels are consistently below 0.8%. That's what gives our oil its incredibly high smoke point.
It has to smell like fresh grass and taste buttery. If our experts don't love the flavor, it doesn't get bottled.
Nothing goes to waste. The skins and pits are recycled into nutrient-rich compost and animal feed for local farms.
We actually burn some of the dried pits to generate the heat for our malaxers. It's a closed-loop system that saves energy.
Heat is the enemy of quality. By keeping it cool, we protect the healthy monounsaturated fats that make avocado oil so good for you.
We use these dark bottles for a reason. Light causes oxidation, and we want this oil to stay fresh for up to 2 years.
From here, it goes everywhere. We're shipping hundreds of thousands of bottles a week to every corner of the map.
This truck is headed to the distribution center. In just 3 days, this oil will be on a supermarket shelf.
Whether you're searing a steak or dressing a salad, you now know exactly how much care went into every drop. Enjoy. Not all avocados are created equal. We exclusively use Hass because their flesh is nearly 30% oil.
Sustainability is key. We recycle over 80% of the water we use in our washing stations. Look at that. Even at 500 degrees, it isn't smoking. That's the stability of pure avocado oil.
Every night, the whole line is stripped down and sanitized. It takes 6 hours to ensure everything is spotless for the morning shift.
To be cooled cold pressed, we must keep the fruit below 50 degrees Celsius. We actually keep ours much cooler to lock in the flavor.
We also produce organic and infused blends. This requires a completely separate, certified cleaning process for the machines.
It's not just bottles. We ship these giant totes to restaurants and bakeries all over the country. From here, we can see every single avocado.
If a belt slows down by even 1%, we know about it instantly.
This wrap keeps everything stable. These bottles won't move an inch until they reach the grocery store.
We're proud of what we do here. Our goal is to put a bottle of healthy avocado oil in every kitchen on the planet. Safety is non-negotiable. Before a single drop is bottled, it undergoes rigorous microbiological screening.
We're looking for a fat content of at least 70% oleic acid. That's what makes this oil so incredibly heart healthy.
The cold press process preserves the vitamin E. It's a natural antioxidant that prevents the oil from going rancid.
The organic seal is hard-earned. We document every step, from the soil in the orchard to the seal on the bottle. 0 contaminants detected. Our sensors are sensitive enough to find 1 part in a billion, and we've found nothing but pure avocado.
We simulate months of shelf time in just a few days. This helps us guarantee that your oil stays fresh for 2 full years.
It should smell fresh and slightly nutty, like a garden in the morning. If the aroma isn't perfect, the batch doesn't pass. Consistency is key. We use lasers to measure the exact shade of green to make sure every bottle looks perfect.
Tree-to-table traceability. Scan the code on your bottle, and you can see the exact date and location your oil was pressed.
This is the final seal of approval. This batch is officially certified, pure, and ready to head to your kitchen. We choose glass not just for the oil's protection, but for the planet. These bottles can be recycled infinitely without losing quality. Every box we use is made from recycled fibers. We're aiming for a 0 waste footprint across our entire shipping chain. By optimizing our pallet height, we fit more oil into every truck, which means fewer vehicles on the road and a smaller carbon footprint.
From this screen, I can track any bottle in the world. We know exactly where our oil is at every second of its journey.
In the summer months, we use refrigerated transit. We don't take any chances with the quality of our liquid gold. These containers are headed for the coast. From there, our oil travels to kitchens in Europe, Asia, and beyond. Even our labels are green. We use soy-based inks and non-toxic glues to ensure the whole package is as natural as the oil inside. This is our automated brain. The robots ensure that the oldest stock moves out first, so your oil is always as fresh as possible.
Weight is perfect. That's the final green light. This shipment is officially on its way to you.
And here we are. After thousands of miles and dozens of quality checks, it's ready for your kitchen. Pure health in a bottle. It all starts right here in the dirt. Healthy, nutrient-rich soil is the secret ingredient to a high-fat, high-quality avocado. We use smart drip irrigation. Every tree gets exactly what it needs, and not a single drop of water is wasted in this heat. Without these guys, there would be no fruit. We maintain hundreds of hives to ensure our trees are perfectly pollinated. We prune to let the light in. Proper airflow and sunlight are essential for preventing mold and encouraging fruit growth. Meet our pest control team. Instead of chemicals, we use natural predators to keep our trees healthy and our fruit organic.
Every tree starts here. We graft our premium Hass branches onto hardy rootstocks to give them the best start in life.
We never let the fruit hit the ground. This picking pole keeps every avocado pristine and bruise-free.
Speed is critical. From the moment they're picked, these avocados are moved into the shade to preserve their internal oils.
This isn't just a farm, it's an ecosystem. These trees absorb tons of carbon dioxide every year, helping the planet while we make your oil.
This tree has been here for 50 years. It's a reminder that we're planting for the next generation as much as our own. We started 40 years ago with just a single grove. Today, that same passion drives every machine in this building.
We've traded the old heavy presses for high-speed technology, ensuring that not a single nutrient is lost during extraction.
It takes a village. Behind every bottle are the hands of our local community, dedicated to bringing you the very best.
Don't just take my word for it. We are officially certified for heart health, with every batch meeting the highest nutritional standards.
With a smoke point of 500 degrees,
This oil is your best friend for searing, sautéing, and even deep frying. We started in one grove, but today we're a part of millions of meals across 30 different countries. We're powered by the same sun that grows our trees. Our goal is to be carbon neutral by the end of the year.
You've seen the journey and you've seen the care. Now, it's time to bring that quality into your own home.
Visit us online to see our recipes and find a store near you. Join the avocado oil revolution today. From our trees to your table, thank you for coming on this journey with us. Goodbye for now.